Guess I got my badger back. Guess I got my badger back. Guess I got my badger back. Badger back. Badger back.
Take the stockade area, which is all of this area in here, including the tower, but not the trees. So it's the area with no trees in it, it's the stockade area. And free the miserable spirits. That's you lot. You're miserable, okay? Thus making them more cheerful and willing to join in the mission to free the Scrooges from the stockade area. So, you get hit 3 times, you become one of Santa's helpers. Okay? First time, hit. Medic him back in. Second time, medic him back in. Third time, hit. Santa team.
We have to skip.
Yes, you do. Right, life rules, I'll go through it again. Santa's helpers have infinite regen on the checkpoint there. That is the checkpoint. So once you become a Santa's helper, you go up to where the smiley face is. Okay? Les Miserables. Okay? Have a 3 life tag, then they become a helper. Right.
Why don't we just stand here and let's go through that?
So only in the carriage.
I take it. We'll go back. Where are you going?
Oh, hello. Okay. Back in.
They got trained.
In front of you. Turn around, 3 o'clock.
No, it's not. It's not 3 o'clock yet, is it?
Oh, yeah. Oh, there is no.
Hello, Governor.
The amount of people just flying.
We're so useless here, it's unbelievable. What? So useless here. Bush moving in a very suspicious fashion over there. You see that sort of yellowish one between the silver birch tree and the 7 shape? Bush is moving around in a very suspicious fashion. How many more you got, sweetheart? Yeah, I've got fucking right.
Oh, we.
That's an easy way to do a fucking mag, isn't it? Love it!
Should we shoot him anyway?
Just put it down a week live, I'll get your head down.
They would have run out of ammo fairly quickly. I've got a bottle. Whoa! A couple of gun hits, but nothing major. About stopping drum mag. Can you stick some fire in that bunker? There's two in there, I don't know exactly where, but... Just what you're doing.
Wait, how much ammo you got?
Oh, no.
I thought there was a grenade coming through. That's a write-up!
Go for that.
Personally, I've never seen this point in sniper rifle.
Full auto.
Oh, go on.
I love the noise
Gas.
they make though.
Oh, no. Lovely gun.
Well,
Yeah, it does.